guidance on that side. So that's why when I came in, it was surprising. It took probably less than 15-20 minutes. He was able to exactly tell me, Suma, you're anxious, you need to calm down, clear your mind. Things will be just fine. As I said, most of the time, how much ever you gain or whatever, you always wish, I wish there is one more person just to tell you know what, it's okay, things can go wrong. But you know what, you're good enough to come back. I wanted someone to say that to me. So when he actually said that, it kind of gave me confidence. Okay, I don't know anything about what is NLP apart from the full form of it, but let me give it a try. Let me have that open mind and give it a try. Trust me, I'm not exaggerating. In that 4 days, my life genuinely transformed. I gained more confidence. I'm going towards it. I've not actually reached there, but I know I'm confident enough that, with learning, with gaining, with, every possible day, I'm sure I can learn a lot from all of you. I was just sharing with Sir the other time, the immense of knowledge all you people bring in here. I was so happy that I'm part of this. The kind of confidence, it's already giving me confidence. So, and the best example after I finished the classes, I went back home. My husband, the third day I was in the class, he actually told me these words. I mean, we've been married for a year. He actually said, now I know how to control your hyper. I'm genuinely a very hyper person. I need to keep doing something, or as I go versus, as usual, men say, you're being too finicky, you're being too finicky. But for the first time, he actually said, I actually see, what is really helping you to calm down, what are your interests. And when you are trying to say something, the way your tone comes out, you're thinking before you're talking, and the way you approach me is different. By the third day, it is just not the NLP classes as such, it's the way, the transformation took. Even I could not realize it. And my mother, after 31 years, who is very critical, she's a very disciplined woman. So yes, I do have that, somewhere in me, but then, for the first time she actually said, Suma, I genuinely see a difference, which is good. In the sense, I always came across a lot of people as a very frank person. It works most of the time. It's said that it is good to be honest, but probably the kind of words you use when you put across should be something wherein you're not offending anyone. I don't have any intention to offend anyone, but probably the way I'm trying to do it may land up offending someone. So I actually, realized I should change my tone. I should change these few things which can lead a long way. And coming it from your mother, who has always been so critical about you, I knew I was at the right path in life, if I can put it that way. So when I was actually coming today for the first day of the class, it was like going back to school. I mean, back in school days, my mother would always tell me this. I used to dream when I was like young girl, probably 4th or 5th standard, wherein I would wake up in the middle of the night and say, it's time for school, somebody get me ready, I need to go to school right now, that kind of an attitude. But then it was again there, that enthusiasm, meeting new people, talking to them, gaining knowledge. It's like, have fun, don't take life too seriously, things will happen, but when you need to learn, but don't go, all the way getting so anxious. I realized one thing, I did not take birth knowing ABCD and 1, 2, 3. It's going to take time. So I'll take the time and do it, properly, in proper way, and that is so, and I feel good. I mean, trust me, as soon as in the break I was actually sharing with Sir that how lucky I am to be part of this entire team, because I know I'm going to learn a lot. Yeah. From childhood,
Okay.
You too.
No, I like it.
You like, I do. Probably I would have tried, I can't even remember my age, but that's it. That was the only time. But my mother could not convince me in 31 years, this gentleman here, my guru actually, showed few ideas, and, he convinced me that, give it a try, let's see, after a few methods. And I tried to cook it, I think so it was 10 days before. And I called up a ma'am and I told her, ma'am, believe it or not, you know what, I'm preparing for sabji today, beta. And I tried few pieces, and I thought, let's just assume it's going to be bad. It was not that bad after all. And I tried to imply the same thing in life. Just, life is just not going to be, oh my God, before even coming to a situation, most of the time, we think that,
Be anxious about it.
oh my God, it's all going to go wrong. I mean, you go with that frame of mind, everything is going to wrong. Yes, it will definitely go wrong. I mean, that was the case with me. So, it's been a great experience, and I'm trying to implement it consciously on a daily basis, and it's helping me as an individual. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys.
Wonderful. How are interventions help you? Generally, prior to training, how are interventions there? Post the training, how are interventions help you? Holistically.
Life is more beautiful now. I'm more confident, if I can put it that way. More confident, and I feel when I talk to people, even in general, I'm talking about, your friends, your personal relationships and all that, I feel I can do much